Hi everyone. Welcome to the Science Info channel. Today we will let you know how to change the wallpaper on iPhone 12 and get a customized, snazzy background. Before we get started, make sure to like and share this video, smash the subscribe button and click the notification bell. You probably already know you can easily turn your photos into wallpaper on the iPhone. But there are plenty of stock wallpapers from Apple already on your iPhone 12 you can install right now. The iPhone 12 comes with a slew of vivid wallpapers available for use with both light mode and dark mode, highlighting Apple's colorful design language. You can choose from blue, green, black, red, and white wallpapers that match the different iPhone 12 phone color options. Remember, the default wallpapers change with each iOS update. iOS 14.4 is the most current, and iOS 14.5 is on the way soon. Keep reading to learn how easy it is to download some Apple-designed wallpaper. 1. Go to Settings, then scroll down to Tap Wallpaper. 2. Select from Dynamic, Stills, or Live. When you decide which wallpaper you want, hit the Set button. It'll give you the option of adding the wallpaper to your home screen, lock screen, or both. 3. Feast your eyes on your new wallpaper. You can check it out on your lock screen by locking your phone or your home screen when you unlock the device. The fun part is watching a live wallpaper or photo in action. You can do that by touching and holding the lock screen. If you want wallpaper options beyond those offered by Apple, there's a bunch of third-party websites or apps like Vellum, Unsplash, or even iFixit, where you can quickly download some gorgeous wallpapers or photos to add that dose of personalization to your home screen. iFixit, for instance, releases an annual transparent wallpaper that lets you show off the intricate internals of your iPhone. There's already one for the iPhone 12 for you to get your hands on. And if you've got your iPhone covered and are looking for eye-catching wallpapers to give your desktop a refresh, here are some CNET curated sources to do just that. Thanks for watching.